Hey faves, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel and thanks so much for your support. I believe you all are doing very great. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to prevent your neckline from sagging. Maybe the neckline of your dresses, your blouses. So this video will help you correct a sagging neckline. Sometimes you see some dresses, the neckline, you will just see that they are not firm. Maybe when you bend down you see it sagging. So that is what this video will correct. If this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch to the end. As you can see already, I had already cut out my pieces, and if you are wondering where the full tutorial is, I mean the tutorial of this blouse, well, we'll be tagging it to this video. I already uploaded it a long time ago, but I felt I should just do this video. Okay, actually there are different ways to prevent your neckline from sagging. So this is just one of the ways, and all you need is just your gum stay and your hot iron. Okay, what you do, you just place your gum stay on the neck design or your neck cutout, just as you can see me do in this video. Depending on how wide you want the gum stay to be is totally up to you. For me, I usually do a width of about 2 inches. So as you can see, I have like trimmed it, and you can see it's looking very beautiful. I use my hot iron to press it to my lining. That is if you are using lining for your style, for your blouse. Otherwise, you can even do it on the fabric itself. Okay, if you even want it to be very stable, you can put the gum stay on your lining and as well as the fabric. That way the neckline will be very firm. Even when you bend down to pick up something, it will just stay. Okay, so this is a very simple hack that you can try out. Maybe you just want to make a simple gown, you can prevent that sagging neckline. Hope it's making sense. So after you must have attached your gum stay to your lining or your fabric, depending on the one you want to attach it to, you just sew it straight away and you are good to go. And after sewing it, always remember that you need to notch, and when you are done notching, it relaxes very well. In fact, you will like the outcome. If you see this blouse, when I finish making it, it's so nice, like everything on point. So it's one of the ways you can prevent a sagging neckline. Kindly let me know what you think about this hack. Do you think it's something you would like to try out? Just let me know your experience when you must have tried it out in the comment section. I would suggest you attach your gum stay both on the front neckline and the back neckline for a perfect result. So I will attach everything now and you will see how beautiful this looks. Wow, this came out so well. Just take a look at it. Can you see how firm it looks? Yeah, so this is how you make your neckline stable, or rather shall I say one of the ways you can make your neckline stable. Hope this video was helpful. If you did enjoy the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Please do not forget to like, comment and share.